We just looked back to the very beginning of time, and we found something that shouldn't be there. For decades, we believed we understood how the universe began. We had the math. We had the timeline. We thought that after the Big Bang, the universe was a dark, chaotic soup of gas, slowly cooling for hundreds of millions of years before the first stars finally flickered to life. But the James Webb Space Telescope just shattered that story. Deep in the furthest reaches of the cosmic dawn, Webb found 6 massive galaxies. These aren't small, flickering clusters of early stars. They are giants. They are mature, ancient-looking galaxies that contain as many stars as our own Milky Way. But there is a problem that is currently making physicists lose sleep. According to our current understanding of time, these galaxies are too big, and they formed too fast. Imagine walking into an empty room that was sealed 100 years ago and finding a modern, high-tech city inside. It's not just unlikely, it's physically impossible. Based on the distance of these objects, we are seeing them as they were just 500 million years after the Big Bang. At that point in history, there simply wasn't enough matter or enough time for something this large to exist. It is like finding a fully grown adult in a room where only a baby should be. This isn't just a minor error in a textbook. This is a universe breaker. If these galaxies are real, and if our distance measurements are correct, then the fundamental math of the Big Bang might be wrong. It suggests that the early universe was far more efficient, far more violent, and far faster at creating life-sustaining structures than we ever dreamed possible. Or, more chillingly, it suggests that the universe is much, much older than 13.8 billion years. We might be billions of years off in our calculations. The scale of this discovery is hard to grasp. We are looking at light that has been traveling through the void for over 13 billion years. By the time that light reached Webb's golden mirrors, the stars that created it were likely dead for eons. We are staring at the ghosts of a reality that defies our laws of physics. Scientists are currently scrambling for explanations. Some suggest these might be massive black holes disguised as galaxies. Others wonder if dark matter behaved differently in the beginning. But the simplest explanation is the one that is hardest to accept. We don't know our own history. We are lost in our own timeline, staring at a history that shouldn't exist. We often think of science as a finished building, but Webb has shown us that we are still standing in the foundation, looking at the blueprint in total confusion. We are living in a moment where the most basic facts about our origin are being rewritten in real time. The deeper we look, the more the universe seems to pull away from us, guarding secrets that aren't supposed to exist. We went looking for the first stars. Instead, we found a cosmic mystery that might change what it means to be human in a universe that is far older and far stranger than we are prepared to handle. The clock is ticking, but maybe it started much earlier than we thought. The truth is, hiding in the dark. It is time to rethink everything we know. Final.